Food and drink, download the free Change Life Food Scan.
Welcome back to Food Garage. Today you join us on another 2 Minute Tuesday where we have got, just in the background there, the Mark 8 Fiesta ST. So we haven't really done very much work on this car in particular so far. We've done a stage 1 Peron map, which again is still in development. We've done a couple of exhaust systems that we've swapped in and out. Today is time for some suspension modifications. So we are going to be putting ST suspension on there, only springs for now, because obviously the aim of this car is to try and test as many different products as possible. So we're going to start with some springs. Later on, sort of throughout the stage of us having the car, we'll then progress to some coilovers, whether that be by ST or another brand. But yeah, so again, only 2 minutes on the clock, so I'm going to take you over to the ramp. Elliot's going to then start the process, taking the old springs out and putting the new ones in. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll leave in the description below all the links to everything that we offer for the Mark 8, this set of suspension in particular. But yeah, that's it from me. So again, let's go and see Elliot, let's go and watch the whole process unfold, and yeah, let's see you shortly.
Call it not up on the map. Call me Lucy Fire, them go dead. And you call your God. See them in my gun, they give a damn. And we from the plan. Me a go for your kingdom. Yeah, even today. Them pennies said they run away like dogs. Even today. You get the shame on you. Give me the tag on me, come down me head.
We shall not retreat till we get the glory. Never back down, they gon' hear the story. Oh, let them tell the story. Pass it down to generations so you gon' keep our soul free. Oh.